Channel. So today I'm gonna share with you how I dress up myself for my everyday office look. There are plenty of dresses which I prefer wearing to my for my office look. So I am ready to share all of those dresses with all you guys, how I dress up myself, making sure that I am looking formal and I do not carry so much of those flashy looks which might go with the party look. So I always make sure that I am simple. I carry sober dresses and which are classy, which are fashionable as well, and which do not even look vibrant and party look. So let's just go ahead and get started. One by one I'm gonna dress up myself for my everyday office look, and I hope that you will definitely like all my getup which I'm gonna show you right now. So I hope that you guys like all of my dresses which I'm gonna wear right now and show you right away. So let's quickly go ahead and get started. Starting with almost each and every single girl love wearing jumpsuits. When it comes to jumpsuits, there are a variety of jumpsuits. So when it comes to selecting jumpsuits for your office look, be very wise in selecting the color of the jumpsuits, because at the end of the day it is gonna be for your office look. So it should not be vibrant and it should look very elegant and sober on you. Alright. So first I'm gonna start with striped jumpsuit. Striped jumpsuits are the most preferable ones when it comes to wearing jumpsuits for your office getup, because those are not too even flashy, those are not too vibrant, those give you a supple look, a proper formal look. And even I love wearing those striped jumpsuits for my office meetings as well, because that is something which I am very confident wearing at, and it gives me a professional look as well. The one which I'm gonna wear is a plain jumpsuit. It's a dark maroon jumpsuit. If you think that it is kind of revealing, if you're wearing a one strip jumpsuit on yourself, if you think that is kind of revealing, it's kind of showing up your skin, then if you're not comfortable, whatever you can do, I would suggest you to wear a denim jacket. It could be a light color denim jacket, maybe white, or maybe a proper blue denim jacket, and that will look, believe me, it will look definitely elegant on you. Now it's time for some printed jumpsuits. As you can see, the one which I was wearing, the black and white, which has a white polka dot, though it can look a bit fashionable, but yet it looks decent on me. Next, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite collections of one pieces which I prefer wearing to my office. The one which are which have a print on them. There are quite a few one pieces which are plain as well. Always make sure whatever one pieces you are carrying for your professional look, they should not be revealing, should not reveal your skin much, not from the upper side, from the bottom side as well. And always make sure that you're able to carry them on yourselves comfortably, so that it doesn't gives you that kind of nervous feeling that you're wearing a one piece. You have to be very careful about it, but it should be comfortable enough for you, as well as it should give you a fashionable look as well for your professional look. is one has a skirt, though it is called a coat, and another it's kind of a, you can see it doesn't have a sleeve on the left part of the hand. However, it is looking fashionable, adding a sense on my office fashion and kind of giving me a professional look as well. Simple and soft. Next cord is a set of pants which has a simple pant and has a balloon top. You can call it as a shirt or a balloon top. I also love wearing these. Whenever I am wearing this cord, I'm very confident about myself. I know that it's kind of giving me a fashionable look. I'm looking great, as well as it is kind of matching my professional getup as well. Obviously, how can I forget to carry denims when office itself is giving me an opportunity to carry denims on one single day, which is Friday. In my office, it's called Fun Friday or maybe Denim Friday. So yes, I always prefer wearing denims on Fridays, making sure that I am carrying myself in a completely professional look and I'm looking fashionable as well.
I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find, don't let the sun go down.
Was my everyday office look. So if you like my video today and if you think that you are also confident enough to carry this look for your everyday office look, so I would highly recommend you guys to go for this look. Buy some jumpsuits which are sober. Go for those one pieces which looks elegant on you and gives you a professional look. Go for those cords which are not too flashy but they are giving you a subtle look and elegant look as well. And if you like my today's video, do not forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification button so that you are updated for my new and upcoming videos. And till then, keep loving me, keep motivating me, and stay tuned for my more upcoming and surprising videos. So then, bye bye.